Hello. Um, so it's been a while since the last time I created any content, and I wanted to, you know, just discuss my plans for the future and what I think is going to be the best direction for the channel. And the channel's always been about producing knowledge and helping people who have some questions, but they've been specific to tennis products. I think now is the best time, especially in these conditions where a lot of people aren't playing tennis, a lot of people aren't buying tennis equipment, that I should shift to something that people still actively do, which is learning. And so I'm shifting the channel to educative topics, and one of the biggest ones would be real methods of analysis. It's upper division college math, and I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people. Well, that's my intention. My intentions are they're surely going to help a lot of people, and I hope they do. I don't know how good it's going to be, but I have a plan, and I'm certain that the potential of this is going to be great. And if it turns out good, I'm going to diversify in this sort of direction of educative materials than just specifically niche into tennis equipment, because I've noticed that a lot of my tennis content may or may not be may or may not be seen at this point. So I want to put this out there, and I hope everyone's doing well, and I'm thankful for all 120 subscribers I have. Let's keep this going, and this is going to be hopefully the start of many good things.